How to fix Roblox widescreen glitch. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to search bar and type in allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll all the way down till you find Roblox. If you find Roblox, make sure there's tick mark in private and public. After you do that, putting tick mark on private and public in Roblox, simply click on OK. After you click on OK, you're good to go. After that, you can simply restart your device and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Roblox widescreen glitch. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.